Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the only supported update path, USB firmware install. First, check the OSD to confirm your exact Odyssey G5 model and current firmware. Once confirmed, download the official Samsung firmware package and unzip it on your PC. Make sure the firmware file name matches the monitor naming convention. Next, copy the firmware. Bin file to the root of a FAT32 formatted USB stick. Plug the stick into the monitor's USB service port and keep the PC off the update path to avoid confusion. With the USB inserted, power down the monitor completely. Press and hold the joystick and menu buttons simultaneously, then power on to enter the service menu. This bypasses normal OSD. Navigate to the firmware update entry, labeled FW Update or Panel Update, and select the firmware file you placed on the USB. The monitor will validate file integrity. Once validation begins, do not touch buttons, unplug USB, or cut power. Wait for progress to reach 100%. The screen may flash or restart automatically when finished. After the monitor restarts, enter the regular OSD and confirm the firmware version matches the package you installed. Perform a factory reset to clear any residual configuration mismatches. If the update fails or the monitor is unresponsive, first reformat the USB to FAT32, re-download the firmware, use a different USB stick or port, and repeat the service mode procedure. If problems persist, boot loops, no power, or repeated failures, collect model and serial numbers and contact Samsung support for guided recovery or service options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.